Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans at TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. I'm joined by the best dressed. It's Puchabu.
Hey, Stibo.
Yeah, sure.
How's it, my bro?
I'm that.
Stibo Sibonili game.
Sure.
But I think first and foremost, I'll send my gratitude to the fans.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Stadium was fully packed. Mautia cheka kuze abantu bakude. Others are coming from your Eastern Cape. Botswana.
Yeah.
So they heeded to the call.
Yeah.
That look, let's support our boys.
Sure.
And yeah, I'll salute the center line as well for singing their lungs out the entire 90 minutes. Even when the penalties were taken, you could see that the energy was still there. A good performance from our boys.
Yeah.
We need to be honest. I don't think there's any sober Orlando Pirates supporter fan that will really have a problem with today's performance. Yes, we are out, but sometimes as a football fan, it's nice to know that you have lost while your team was playing.
Yeah, true.
Coming back from a 3-0 deficit, it's not a child's play.
Difficult.
Yeah, so Pirates played,
Yes.
but I think we have lost the game, Stibo, in the first round. I think that's where the game was lost.
Yes.
Look. Normally, I will make an example with the Northern teams like your Al Ahly and all of them. When they are playing away, they deal proper with game management.
Yes.
They don't expose themselves.
True.
They won't sit at the back that much,
Yes.
but at least they will manage the game so that you don't score.
Yes. Yes.
And in the second leg when they go back, that's where you are going to see them. They grounding.
Yeah.
And they will punish you.
Yes.
So I think from a perspective of the Orlando Pirates, I think that's where we might have slightly got it wrong. Because Okorwa won, it's understandable. But when this team score a second goal, that's where you then need to say, Lento Funi goal Pambili is becoming problematic.
Sure.
Perhaps let's try and manage the game. So Steve, we lost the game in the first half.
Sure.
I'm happy about the performance. Even the plan that the coach executed today, I'm not going to falter the coach and say so and so should have been brought in, blah, 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 blah. The coach did what he needed to do and it worked. I mean, nobody gave us a chance to come back from that 3-0. And we did. Pirates won today, we scored 3 and we won the game.
Yes.
So, Stibo, in such situations,
Sure.
I think players themselves needs to be taken to an induction.
Yeah.
Obviously, we knew that this team, when they come here,
Yes.
they will apply those tactics.
Yes.
Your delaying tactics,
Yes.
the arrogancy and stuff.
Fine.
So players shouldn't be caught in that situation. I thought, I thought Pirates would have set them down and told them that, gents, when they come here, 1, 2, and 3 is going to happen. Refrain from that. Because it's a trap. They want you to lose a focus, and in the midst of that, you then losing your game. So those are the things that from time to time, because ama players,
Sure.
they are like kids. They are your kids.
Yes.
You reprimand them
Yes.
as and when you go along with these things. Ngoba basesebancane.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you must tell them ukuthi emadoda kuzoba so. You must check le team izoba so. There's number 36
Striker.
odlalela leya team.
Striker.
Sinesibhedlela la eSouth Africa bathi yini lesibhedlela sabantu abagula ngenqondo. Vescopis.
Yeah.
Masingamisa yabona it's a pity Pirates ayibonanga ne bekumele bamthathe bamise da. That man was going to be admitted.
Lo beka driver.
Lo beka uko number 36 odaye izinwele.
Raid.
Yangisazi usidanger.
Yeah.
That man.
Yeah. Akekho mnandi.
Bekumele bamise ku psychiatrist hospital.
Akekho
Akekho sharp lo yamuntu. You know what he did?
Ukhala.
And you know what he was doing throughout the game?
Yes.
he was provoking the fans.
Fans, yes.
Now, in such situations, the emotions are high, Stibo. You know, uyabona, the stadium is fully packed. La stadium, uma ngabe sihlangene singama fans, i-loss asiyithathi ngendlela efanayo.
Yes.
As fans, you know. So if you are coming from that far, and also considering the fact that our players were harassed there, and you come here, you begin to make you are provoking these people.
That's true.
It was this close ukuthi lento ipamuke ama-fans angene ngase stadium bagcine sebazibambela yena. So you know, le team le came, to be honest, umuntu ozothi uyibone ihlanganisa ama-3 passes angazi zabe wahlanganise kuphi.
Nama.
How we lost to this game, to this team there, obviously ilento yokuthi abastrictanga kahle fairly, that's why we lost. But under normal circumstances, this is not uzobona Steve. La kuma group stages bayozenzela ngayo leya team. Akuna la izoya khona. So Steve, mina I'm saying our boys played well. The team did well. The technical team did their work. The fans did their work by coming to the stadium. Now we have made serious acquisitions in terms of the players. Ama players esiwathengile, of course, we anticipated that we might go to a certain level ku CAF since siphume kuma semi-final. Now there's no excuse. There are 3 cups that are left. The other one we are competing on Tuesday, the Ikalim Black Label Cup. If you check the log now, the log standings, I've said it last week, Ngati, we had a problem of having games in hands without converting them into points. So this time around we're getting there. We're number 3, and if we win the remaining 2, because we've got 2 in hands, definitely we're going to be on top of the log. So I'm saying, let's chin up. This is not a loss for me. Because obviously dirty politics were applied into this game. That's why we're out today. So I'm not angry, I'm not bitter, I'm just okay. Life goes on, Steve. So I'm saying these 3 cups that are still left, there's no two-twos about it. We need to get them. The issue of the poor refereeing. If you check your Europe, they don't have what they call preliminary rounds. Therefore, there's no VAR. Every game to them is very important. So as Africans, we need to take ourselves serious. Lo referee lo beka revala na ku TTC bangamxosha labafana abancane bangamgijimisa, because there was a moment where uMuremi ekawiso khona in a penalty box. Instead he gave Umuremi a yellow card to insinuate. So the kind of a referee that was here was very poor. And then coming back to CAF, you cannot risk the life of the players. Uyobafaka war zone. It's a war zone. Everybody knows it's a war zone. South Africa tried to intervene there, Sagcina Skishwa, and our troops and soldiers were withdrawn from that country. So it's up to CAF management. If there's a problem in that country, games will be played in your neighboring countries, so that the terrain it's even. Because there, Masiala Payana, of course, we are foreigners in that country. The treatment will be different. So I'm saying to CAF, such situations shouldn't happen. The terrain is not okay. Take the game elsewhere, idlalele somewhere where we know ukuthi everything is going to be fair. So Stibo, in closing, sithi siyabonga, mina kakhulu ngibonga ama-fans ezile stadium, nani ngiyanibonga ukuthi nizile nizosicover. The last one, Stibo. Abantu abasibukelayo, I always say basibukela ngedatha labo asibanikezi. So mina ngiyabonga from the bottom of my heart. Ngama-comments wabo abasinikeza wona, and they are encouraging us to do well. Nokuthi ne-platform yethu yama-fans wethu ibe well, ngoba ikhulile manje sigijimisa imillion ku TikTok in terms of the viewers. So mina ngithi a salute to our comment section.
Thank you.
Siyabonga, Brian. So this is Richmond. Yeah, this is Richmond. Stibo. Ubheke icoach ye Mamelodi Sundowns. uhlala agqoke yona kuphela enyaweni. If you didn't notice,
Yeah.
or hambo check ithombe zakhe manje ubheke. Mawuyifuna uzoyithola hydraulics.
Yeah, hydraulics kuphela.
Yeah, uzoyithola hydraulics ikhona.
Hydraulics angika.